Let's go to town today. I'm going to take you to the center. It's called the Centrum of Leeuwarden, and I want to show you a little bit of the city I live in. And it's Christmas time, so I hope to share with you some of this Christmas spirit, some of our delicacies like oliebollen and stroopwafels, and maybe some glühwein. So we're going to enjoy today. So Peter and I are headed to town, and of course, I am wearing today, this is from Rene of Paris, their Noriko Collection, and this is Kade, and she is so pretty. Look at these fibers. She's beautiful. The color is melted cinnamon. It's melted cinnamon. Isn't that beautiful? Look at all of the colors in there and dimensions. Notice these. Oh, I love the money pieces, the light colors at the front, the dark rooting, this flipping. This is so cute. And of course, it's winter, so we wear scarves here. Isn't that darling? I love it. Kade, K-A-D-E. I'll leave the links below, but come with me. We're going to town, and I'll share a little bit of Christmas spirit with you. This is one of the prettiest little streets in all of Leeuwarden. And we stopped to have some lunch, of course, and a little bit of refreshment too. So we're having a good time to start the day off with. We then stopped at one of the boutiques there. We have all these like little food boutiques as well, cheese shops, and you get some olives. And it's just a wonderful way to shop and get a little bit of wine. We don't have big grocery stores here, so this is the one way we get our delicacies. Across the street from here is where we can get sausages, you can get eggs, get all sorts of treats like fouette. Beautiful little shop. And of course, even out front, they already have some of their Sinterklaas, chocolates, letters out front. That's a Dutch thing. There's a florist shop, so you can get beautiful arrangements and flowers here. It's because that's a #1 trade from the Netherlands. Very, very well priced. And then, of course, you can see ice creams. A little cold for me today for ice cream, but this is a beautiful little ice cream shop. And across from there is Dutch treats, like bonbons and macarons. Of course, that's more of a French thing, but we sell them here too. We walked on down the street, and of course, you can see the streets were still wet, but the sun came out, and beautiful. You see all the bicycles, they're everywhere. And the architecture is just absolutely beautiful here as well. There's a horse you're going to see, and I didn't realize it, but right behind there was a rainbow that I caught when I was taking a picture. Frisian area of the Netherlands are famous for their horses. And there were vendors on the street, like they sell nuts and chocolates and macarons as well. And then, of course, we had to stop to get our oliebollen. Don't know the gentleman, but he stopped on his bike to grab a famous oliebollen treat while it's nice and hot. Do it again?
This is an oliebol. Say it again.
So this is in Dutch. These are our favorite during the holidays, is oliebol.
I love it.
After all the sugar, we decided to have a nice cup of cappuccino. Welcome back. So that was quite a nice little trip to town today. And I hope you enjoyed. I want to get pictures of the shops and places that we shop and when we go into the Centrum. And it's just beautiful. I hope you enjoyed that. We got some stroopwafels. So stroopwafels is a great little pastry. And you get your coffee cup or tea, and then you take the stroopwafel and you put it on top, and the steam from the coffee or tea makes it soften, and this caramel inside of it, so yummy. So we had to get some of those. We ate our oliebol warm while we were there. Tradition is to eat those for New Year's Eve, and you get a big box or bowl of them, and then everybody eats those as a New Year's Eve treat. And I went shopping, and I got some new PJs, and I got a new jacket. I went to a department store here called C&A. So I think this is going to be really cute for the holidays, for winter. So I just kind of wanted to show you that. So as a reminder, the wig I wore today, of course, it was raining inside and raining inside. And what's nice is the synthetic, and it's really able to take the rain, and you don't lose this great hairstyle at all. So this is the cute jacket I got today. Isn't this cute? No sleeves, and it's long down to past my knees. So I got that. Yeah, so did a little shopping. had some nice treats, cappuccino. What a beautiful day with Peter, and I hope you enjoyed following us on our day. And I think you would really enjoy this cute wig that's Rene of Paris called Kade, K-A-D-E. I'll leave the link below, and she's in Glade Cinnamon. So that's it for this time. I'll see you next time, my friends. Dearly darlings. Bye.